Hello, and welcome to another video of Visa Track.
In the vast landscape of Canadian immigration, two prominent pathways stand out: the Startup Visa program and the Express Entry programs. While both offer opportunities for individuals seeking a new life in Canada, the Startup Visa program takes a unique approach, specifically catering to the entrepreneurial spirit. In this exploration, we uncover the distinctive advantages that the Startup Visa Canada holds over traditional Express Entry programs.
The Startup Visa program, introduced in 2013, is a beacon for entrepreneurs looking to breathe life into innovative business ideas on Canadian soil. Unlike Express Entry, which casts a wider net, the Startup Visa program owns in on the unique needs of those with a fervor for entrepreneurship. It creates a tailored pathway, recognizing and celebrating the spirit of innovation.
One of the standout features of the Startup Visa program is its facilitation of connections with a network of seasoned investors. These investors aren't just financial backers, they are catalysts for success. They see the potential in your venture and provide the support needed to turn dreams into reality. This financial backing can be a game changer, especially for startups that require an initial push to get off the ground.
Time is of the essence, and the Startup Visa program recognizes that. Successful applicants under this program benefit from an expedited route to permanent residency. This not only streamlines the immigration process, but also allows entrepreneurs and their families to establish roots in Canada at an accelerated pace compared to the more general timeline associated with Express Entry.
Express Entry relies on a comprehensive ranking system, a points-based system that evaluates candidates based on various factors such as education, language proficiency, and work experience. In contrast, the Startup Visa program adopts a more holistic approach. It prioritizes the viability and potential of the proposed business, making it more accessible for entrepreneurs with innovative ideas, irrespective of a rigid point structure.
Beyond individual success, the Startup Visa program places a significant emphasis on the potential for job creation and economic impact. Successful startups contribute not only to their founders' prosperity, but also to the local economy. This aligns with Canada's overarching goals for growth and development, fostering a symbiotic relationship between immigrants and the nation's economic landscape.
Choosing the Startup Visa program means becoming part of Canada's vibrant innovation ecosystem. It's more than just a visa. It's an invitation to collaborate, learn, and grow within a community of like-minded individuals. Access to resources, mentorship, and collaborative opportunities becomes an integral part of the journey, setting the stage for not just individual success, but collective advancement.
While Express Entry often requires a certain level of education, the Startup Visa program allows for more flexibility. It places greater importance on the merits of the business proposal rather than strict educational criteria. This opens doors for individuals with diverse talents and experiences, fostering a rich tapestry of skills within the Canadian entrepreneurial landscape.
The Startup Visa program is often more tailored to specific business sectors. It encourages entrepreneurs with expertise in areas such as technology, science, and innovation to bring their skills to the forefront. By focusing on targeted industries, Canada aims to position itself as a global leader in these sectors, with immigrants playing a pivotal role in driving growth and innovation.
In the tapestry of Canadian immigration, the Startup Visa program emerges as a canvas for entrepreneurial dreams. Its advantages, from investor support to accelerated permanent residency, create a narrative of not just immigration but of building, growing, as we navigate the pathways to a Canadian dream. The Startup Visa program stands as a testament to the belief that innovation knows no borders, and it finds a welcoming home in the heart of Canada. Contact now for free assessment. Visa Track Immigration Law Firm.